Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kids' art supplies with the DOODLE HOG washable dot markers. If you're looking for a mess-free way to unleash your child's creativity, you're in the right place. These dot markers are designed with toddlers and preschoolers in mind, offering a hassle-free alternative to traditional paints. They come in a set of 8 vibrant colors, perfect for creating beautiful dot art without the mess. Show the markers up close, demonstrate the grip and how they work. Let's talk about what makes these markers stand out. Firstly, they're non-toxic, making them safe for young children to use. They're also washable, which means no more stains on clothes or furniture. Demonstrate washing off the ink from a surface. These markers aren't just about coloring, they're about inspiring creativity. With a smooth flow and consistent colors, kids can easily create vibrant artworks with just a simple dot. Show examples of dot art created with these markers. One of the best things about these markers is their ergonomic design. They feature a round, easy grip barrel that's perfect for little hands, encouraging independence and confidence in young artists. Show a child using the markers comfortably. As an added bonus, each set comes with a PDF containing 200 dot art activity sheets, providing endless inspiration for creative play and learning. Show examples or images of the activity sheets. In conclusion, if you're searching for a fantastic gift idea or simply want to nurture your child's artistic talents, the DOODLE HOG washable dot markers are an excellent choice. They combine ease of use, safety, and vibrant creativity into one fantastic package. Encourage viewers to check the description for links to purchase the product. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.